Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us today. I am Amandeep Kaur, representing a team of engineers from York University. Together, we have developed a comprehensive plan to address one of the most pressing challenges for the Paris 2024 Olympic, that is, restoring the Seine River to ensure it is safe for athletes, the public, and Paris itself. The Seine isn't just a river, it is a symbol of Parisian culture and history. Seine River flows through Paris in a northwesterly direction. The length of Seine River is 458 miles, and its drainage networks cover an area of about 30 and 400 square miles, which contributes to carry most of the inland waterway traffic of France. Seine River has a combined sewer system which affects the water safety level. Same pipes are used to hold fresh water and wastewater. After heavy rainfall, the wastewater starts flowing into the river, which is one of the major concerns for the water safety level. It not only infects the water with bacteria and virus, but also some human waste and wildlife, such as rodents. For the success of Paris Olympic and global image, it is our responsibility to protect and restore it to its full potential. Health risks due to poor water quality of Seine River. Presence of 10 times higher amount of E. coli in Seine River than accepted as per reported by Paris City Hall. Presence of Enterococci bacteria and E. coli amount failed to meet threshold value of safety. Water contamination due to presence of other pollutants as well will risk the safety of swimmers as per Lionel Gilles from Surfrider Europe. This situation demands immediate and innovative action. Let's talk about Paris Olympic budget. The allocated amount of organizing committee budget is 4.38 billion euros. Partnership allocation is 1.226 billion euros. It is purely financed by private sector. Ticketing, hospitality, licensing budget is 1.4 billion euros with 1.1 billion, 170 million and 127 million euros each respectively. Only 4% of Paralympics is financed by public sector. 0.193 billion euros generated by alternative revenues. Imagine athletes risking their health in polluted water. Restoring the Seine is about safety, dignity, and preserving Paris' legacy. Here is how we can make this vision a reality. Hydrobot. It is an inexpensive, eco-friendly machine that can help to collect plastic and human waste from river, utilizing sand filters and sludge system. Using eco-friendly sand filters can help to eliminate harmful pollutants by placing near the sites of sewage water, so that even after overflow it won't affect the water safety level of Seine River. Activated sludge system can be automated with the sand filters, which will be more productive and environment friendly. Imposing high fines on public. There must be a strict rule for public to not throw any plastic or human waste in Seine River. Penalty boards should be displayed on the sides of Seine River. Charity events should be organized with the received amount of fines to clean the Seine River. Funds from fines will support the cleanup efforts, creating a cleaner river for everybody to enjoy. Combined, these solutions are efficient, scalable, and within reach of Olympic budget. As Hydrobot can cost up to $15,000 per unit as it is going to build in-house. Each bot is 2 meters in width. 15 bots are required to cover one side of the river. Therefore, 30 bots are required to cover both sides of river, which would cost 450,000 dollars approximately. Considering other cost of workshops and labor can cost around another $120 million. Initial cost of sand filtration system can be $370,000, and annual costs for overflow sites can cost up to $170,000 approximately. By adhering to these two cost-effective solutions, organizing swimming events in Seine River for Paris Olympics 2024 with safer pH level can be fulfilled. Paris has always been a symbol of innovation. By investing in these solutions, we can ensure a safe Olympics, a cleaner scene, and a lasting legacy. Let's turn this challenge into an opportunity to shine on the world stage. Thank you for your time and support.